Combes Catholic First Nations. I just wanted to point out that the compensation that we got as Aboriginal First Nations is good to some extent, but the non-Aboriginal people that suffered, like the kids, the teachers that were traumatized too, the residential school, what happened there, all the mayhem, the chaos. I think the compensation too should be given to these kids that were traumatized, because we abused them too because of all the anger and the chaos that was happening there. And I hope my voice can support them as well. And also with the apology, I don't think it's really important here in Canada until we can see the abroad, New Zealand, Australia, where this colonial legacy is still ongoing. And the genocide, cultural genocide and political genocide that's been continuing. I think compensation packages have to be going to Mennonites in the States who suffered too, like the young kids that we abused. Many stories like that are coming forth. I think the real stories are like those that have healed, survived, and have gone on, are now overcomers, such as myself, has to have a voice, and being a voice for these non-Aboriginal people too that suffered, the Mennonites and the Anglican priests and the ministers that are there. Even though sure they abused us, but I think they too suffered trauma, got traumatized by it, and they're still paying for it today. And the government kind of turns a blind eye because they did their duty, but sure they suffered some too, because the churches did their duty, but everybody suffered, not just Aboriginal people. Everybody did. And I think Canada, the leadership here in this country, has to take a second look at it and award compensation to these non-Aboriginal people that suffered for all the chaos. And also with the apology, I think it has to be universal, because the UN Declaration came in effect 2007, September 2007. I think everything should be universal. After all, Canada is a civil rights country, and I think that civil rights country too has to take a step up and look at everyone else as equals for everything that the human kind gets here in Canada. Not just Aboriginal people, but also non-Aboriginal people that suffer in the resident school here. Thank you, and I hope this video is used in many circles and political spectrums, political platforms, so that the justice can be served universally. Thank you. Bye.